Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is PT Shaha. Today I'm back with another video of DIY room decor ideas. Today I will be sharing with you guys 5 different DIYs that you could do from the things that you already have at your home. So let's get started with today's video. To make the wall frame, you need to have 2 cardboards of the same size and cutting these cardboards into this. Covering this part with white paper. You need to cut the paper according to the proportion of your frame. And like how you do gift wrapping, you need to wrap this frame. You need to make sure that you wrap even the edges of the frame and not just the front part. If you really don't know how to wrap a gift, just follow what I am doing. It's very simple. Once you are done with the wrapping of the frame, you can put your photos, your paintings or any of your writing. I will be showing you how I made this one. You need to take a plain white paper and a plastic sheet. You can also use your polythenes that you have at your home. Then grab your sketch pens and start sketching it on the plastic sheet. You must keep in mind that you use different color sketch pen so that it can give a look of mixed different color, as you can see in the frame that I have already made. After scratching the sketch pens, you need to sprinkle the water on this plastic sheet. Then you need to turn this plastic sheet on the paper and press it so that it can spread everywhere on the paper. Once you take off this plastic sheet, it is going to look something like this. Next, you can write anything over it that you want. When you're done writing, you just need to stick it with the help of a Fevicol. And there you go. Making dream catcher, you need to have a ring, but if you don't have, you can make one. Just taking a cardboard and cutting that cardboard into this ring. Then you need to have a different woolen thread. So I am using the purple woolen thread. You can use any according to your choice of the color. Then you need to tie a knot over it. Next you need to wrap this woolen thread to the whole ring. When you're done wrapping the woolen thread to the whole ring, just tie a knot to secure the another end of the woolen thread. Here I have wrapped the woolen thread to a small piece of a cardboard so that it can be easy to make. Now you just need to follow the steps what I am doing. Once you're done following the step, you need to tie a knot in the middle so that you can secure it. And cut the remaining portion. And this is exactly how it is going to look. Next, take a woolen thread and tie it to the one side of the ring. Then, you need to cut the thread according to the length that you want. And this is how you need to tie a 3 knot and cut them according to length that you want. Then you can use any of your decorating material to make it look more good. So to make this hanging craft, one and the just thing that you need is a dream catcher. Same as we have made earlier. Now we have to take a woolen thread and cut the thread into different lengths. Now you just need to decorate this thread. You can use anything that you have at home. Here I am using a woolen meat pom-pom and also some of the decorating materials which I already have at home. And this is how I decorated the thread. This is not just a one way. You can also use your photo to decorate the thread. As I did, I have taken the old photos and also used a colored paper and cut that color paper into a heart shape and stick it to the thread. In the same way you can do, and also you can add your own ideas for decorating the thread. Now the last thing that you need to do is that you need to hang these thread which we have decorated with the help of photos or your decorating material. You just need to hang it to the dream catcher. In order to make this DIY, first thing that you will need is a piece of a white cloth. Now you need to stick the two sides of the cloth. You can use fabric glue as well, but I decided to use hot glue because I already had it. Once you are done sticking the two sides of the cloth, you need to fold it inside out. Next, take a newspaper and put the newspaper between the two layers of the cloth so that the color wouldn't leak to the another side. Next, I took a leaf from my garden and just painted one side of the leaf. Then you just need to stamp this leaf to the entire cloth. And this is how it looks. Now I took a very small leaf and painted it green and again stamped it on the cloth. And now to actually stuff the pillow, you need to take a cotton and put it into the cloth. To make this pillow, the emoji pillow, you need to take two pieces of a cloth and cut them into a circle. You can also use the yellow cloth, but here I am not having a yellow cloth at home, so I decided to paint it yellow. When you're done coloring the one piece of the cloth, you need to turn that colored part and stick that colored part to the another piece of the cloth. Make sure that you don't stick the whole cloth. You need to leave some part. Now from the part that you haven't stick, you need to fold it inside out. Now I draw the emoji that I wanted on the cloth. You can draw the emoji that you wanted to. So yeah, these were the 5 DIYs. If you do decorate your room with the help of these ideas or any of your own ideas, just take a picture of it and DM it on my Instagram. I would love seeing recreations. Also, if you like my video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.